Okay, I want to give a solution to this nested if. It's a little trickier. Let's do some formatting real quick. I'm simply going to merge and center. I'm going to merge and center this too, I guess. Make these a little bit bigger. Bold. I'm going to wrap text here. I'm going to bold those. And I'm going to put full all borders so we can see what's what here. Okay. So basically these are students, and I don't know why these numbers are here. We don't even need those, or the student ID for that matter. But here's their test scores. So test average would be, so here's a little bit different. So I need to wrap text here too. So these, we have weights here. So this is 20%, 20%, 20, but this is 40. So we're doing weighted averages here. So I would take this test times its weight plus, yeah, we need more room on this. This test times its weight plus this test times its weight plus the final times its weight. And you can see they're actually all equal weight except for the final. So that's why we can't do a straight average. We're double weighting the final, so we can't do a straight average here. Okay. So I think I did something like this on one of the other videos that we did. So I need to copy this down. So you have enough practice by now that this is not going to work correctly. I need to, everywhere there's down here, I need to put the $sign. And I'm hitting the F4 key if you're wondering why that looks like that. But I know I just need my $signs in front of the 24, so I'm just going to leave it like that. So the bonus or penalty, if the homework is poor, they get a -2. If it's okay, they get 2. If it's good, they get 4. So this is interesting. I know I have nested if here, but we could do a Vlookup. In fact, that's what I would do here. I'm not sure why I called this a nested if, because I'm not going to use a nested if here. So I'm going to do a Vlookup. Okay. And so a Vlookup, again, if you remember from all the other videos, the lookup value, the thing that we're taking down to the chart, and that is the homework grade. And the table array is, let me move this out of the way, is right here. Don't include the header. And I want to return the second column. Now, this is what's different. Here, the range lookup is a logical value to find the closest match in the first column. True, find exact match equals false. So I am looking for an exact match. I'm not like this. This is a great example because when we do VLOOKUP for here, we can't do the exact match. But here I'm doing poor, okay, good. There is no variation. It's either poor, okay, or good. No him-hawing about it. Okay, so we need that. That's the one time that we do need that false. So do I need $signs? Yes, if you remember the notes, the table array always gets $signs. This never gets them, and this is just a number. So don't forget that in the notes. So you can see how this worked out, right? If it's good, they got 4, poor, and the key here was this false. Now the semester average is simply going to be the test average plus the bonus or penalty. So that's easy. Do I need $signs? No. Would $signs be okay? They would not be. Don't forget that. So the grade Now this is going to be another VLOOKUP, but this time I am going to let's do the helper. Oh, sorry. I must have typed that wrong. Let's do the helper. The lookup value, of course, is going to be the grade. The table array is down here. Okay, so between 0 and 59, they get an F. So that we cannot do the exact match here. If we did the exact match, this range lookup thing, they would only look at scores that are 0, 60, 70, 80, or 90. But you can see they're all over the place. So I'm going to return column 2 because I want the letter. And these are dollar signs. Right? Leave that range thing alone. Copy this down. And that's the letter there. Okay, so the rank function here, I hardly ever use this one, to be honest with you. I'm surprised I have it here. But anyways, the rank function, very simple. I want to see what rank is 63.6 amongst all these. So that's the number. The array to compare it to, of course, itself. And that's about it. We're probably going to need dollar signs here. And let me see if this works. I'm not... yeah, it looks like it worked. Yeah. Good. If you wanted to do that. So average. Again, some summary statistics. This is going to be obviously the average, and that's going to be the average of these numbers here. Then we can actually just copy this across. And let's do some formatting. Let's take down to there. Highest grade, that, as you can remember on other functions, that's max. And we could simply copy that across. Lowest is going to be min function. And again, we can copy this across. The range is a statistic that gives you the difference between the highest and lowest. So I don't know if Excel has one, but we're just going to simply do this cell minus this. Okay, and that's going to give us the range. Right? Let's double check. Right? The high minus the low gives us the range. And why didn't I copy this over here? I don't know. And then if you wanted to format it, you know, you could do some coloring and stuff like that to make it stand out. You could do something here if you wanted to. You know, any I don't know, I guess I like to make these look nice sometimes. Yeah. That's about it for that one.